Everybody, today we're gonna see about the resume screening candidate recommendation system, which is a project of machine learning, and we'll see how our project is worked. And the project contains these files which helps for running and successfully completing our project. A resume screening and candidate recommendation system, which is AI powered and that analyzes resumes against a job description and calculates the match score, identifies key skills, highlights candidate strengths and skill gaps, recommended and most suitable candidates, and sends feedback to candidate after screening. Once we'll identify the job description and then the skills and the highlights the candidate strengths. This is how our project works, and the project helps with the recruiters and hiring teams automate the initial resume screening process and reduce the manual effort, and helps to save our time and improve communication with applicants through the personalized feedback. Project overview is analyze the candidate resume, compares with the JD, then calculate a resume match score, identify skill strength, identifying missing or weak skills, rank candidates based on their suitability, and help them to receive their feedback, and help them to identify also the missing skills so that they can improve further. This is a key feature shown here, and the job match score is displayed here. Then skill identification is based on required skills are Python, SQL, but the candidate skill has only Git, machine learning, SQL, Python. So skill gap detection is there here. The REST API is missing in that candidate. It is sent through the feedback. Then the candidate recommendation and the feedback system is given here. The candidate resume is uploaded, then job screening and job matching, and the score and the candidate analysis is then provides the candidate feedback and sent to the candidate. And this is how the feedback.py is worked for the sending the feedback, and candidate users.user candidate information is stored there. Then technology is used: Python, Streamlit, NLP, AML based text analysis, JSON, CSS, Python. And here is how the project structure is displayed, and these are the file descriptions. How we'll install our project is through this clone this repository, then you will cd the project folder name, then create the virtual environment, and you'll install the requirements, and you will finally run through the Streamlit, and usually you'll find this localhost. And this is how our project works: job description, resume analysis, skill extraction, match calculation, gap identification, then recommendation, then recruiter feedback is sent to the candidate. JD, you're looking for a Python developer with experience, and Python SQL. And then candidate profile has this kind of description. So match score will be 85%. We'll show in the demo for the use cases. The system can be useful for recruiters, HR departments, and the recruitment agencies, applicant tracking system, and also data privacy. Use your it may involve personal information, but security is very much important. So we'll have the system very secure and use it very properly without managing any some cases other malpractices or any crime things using the personal details. Next, we'll test the application, and here we see how the deployment is done using the Streamlit Community Cloud, and also these are the other platforms can be deployed. And the screenshot has been shown here, how the login page is displayed, and then the HR dashboard is also being shown here, and the feedback sign up, how it works, and the license and the author details is being displayed here. And now we'll run our project using the Streamlit link. Use both and give any of your name. The password can be anything. It will be stored there. we can sign up here, and by this we can upload the resume from our downloads. And finally the resume will show the analyzed description of which it is displaying here. And next we'll log in as the HR. The password is given here like this, and we will sign up as the HR. These are the resumes which have been uploaded, and the ranking and analysis will be shown here, and the job description will be machine learning, SQL, Sci. Rank the resume. Here it is matching about 60%. So it is showing JD score is 60%. And here are the details of the resume. Which is missing here is cybersecurity. Our smart applicant tracking system has been found out easily. And like this here, filter and sort out. How to filter these? Paste each. Again we'll put the machine learning and the cybersecurity, and it will filter. More than 50% is matching. Missing is the cybersecurity. Okay, the system has found out what are the matching and the missing skills, and the feedback will also be sent here. And lastly we'll have the admin utilities, where current uploads 1 and totally hundreds of resume can be uploaded and clear everything. Again we can use 100 of the resumes, and we want, if we don't want to, we want to clear the space, so we can remove all of the things and it will be empty and you can use it fresh. And this is how our dashboard and the project looks. And thank you for this.